Evergreen tech career niches for long-term growth. Technology changes fast, but some career paths stand strong no matter how trends shift. In this video, we're exploring evergreen tech career niches that offer long-term growth, stability, and global demand. Whether you're a student, a career switcher, or a working professional planning your next move, these fields consistently evolve without becoming obsolete. Let's break down the most reliable tech careers that can future-proof your professional journey. 1. Software development and engineering. Software development and engineering remains one of the most evergreen tech careers because nearly every industry depends on software solutions. From web and mobile applications to enterprise systems and cloud platforms, developers are always in demand. Programming languages may change, but core problem-solving skills, system design, and logic remain timeless. As businesses continue digital transformation, the need for skilled engineers only increases. This field offers flexibility, remote opportunities, and strong salary growth. Developers can specialize in front-end, back-end, or full-stack roles, ensuring continuous learning and adaptability. Long-term growth comes from mastering fundamentals, staying updated with frameworks, and building scalable, secure solutions that solve real-world problems. 2. Cybersecurity and information security. Cybersecurity and information security is a long-term career niche driven by constant digital threats and data breaches. As organizations move more data online, protecting systems becomes critical. Hackers evolve daily, which means security professionals are always needed to stay one step ahead. This field covers network security, ethical hacking, risk assessment, and compliance. Unlike trend-based tech roles, cybersecurity grows stronger with time because digital risks never disappear. Professionals in this niche enjoy strong job security, competitive salaries, and global demand. With continuous learning and certifications, cybersecurity experts build resilient careers protecting data, infrastructure, and trust in an increasingly connected digital world. 3. Data science and data analytics. Data science and data analytics is an evergreen niche because data drives modern decision-making. Every company generates data, but only skilled professionals can turn it into valuable insights. This field focuses on statistics, data visualization, machine learning, and business intelligence. While tools evolve, analytical thinking and problem-solving remain core skills. Long-term growth comes from applying data insights to improve efficiency, predict trends, and guide strategies. Industries like healthcare, finance, marketing, and manufacturing rely heavily on data professionals. As long as businesses need smarter decisions, data science and analytics will continue offering stable and rewarding career opportunities worldwide. 4. Cloud computing and infrastructure engineering. Cloud computing and infrastructure engineering is a future-proof career as organizations shift from physical servers to cloud platforms. Companies depend on cloud services for scalability, security, and cost efficiency. Professionals manage cloud architecture, deployment, performance, and reliability. Platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud may evolve, but the principles of distributed systems remain consistent. This niche offers strong long-term growth because cloud adoption continues globally. Infrastructure engineers play a critical role in uptime, disaster recovery, and system optimization. With businesses prioritizing remote operations and digital services, cloud computing remains a stable and essential tech career path. 5. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning continues to be an evergreen niche due to its expanding real-world applications. From recommendation systems and chatbots to healthcare diagnostics and automation, AI is deeply embedded in modern technology. While hype comes and goes, the core demand for intelligent systems remains strong. This field requires strong foundations in mathematics, algorithms, and data modeling. Long-term growth comes from building ethical, scalable, and explainable AI solutions. As industries adopt automation and predictive analytics, professionals with AI and machine learning expertise will remain essential, making this niche one of the most future-resistant careers in technology. 6. DevOps and site reliability engineering. DevOps and site reliability engineering is an evergreen niche that bridges development and operations. Organizations rely on DevOps professionals to ensure faster deployments, system stability, and continuous delivery. This role focuses on automation, monitoring, performance, and collaboration. As software systems grow more complex, reliability becomes critical. Tools may change, but principles like CI/CD, infrastructure as code, and system observability remain constant. Long-term growth comes from improving efficiency and reducing downtime. DevOps professionals are valued because they help businesses scale smoothly while maintaining quality, making this career both stable and highly respected in the tech industry. 7. UI/UX design and product design. UI/UX design and product design is an evergreen career because technology must remain human-centered. No matter how advanced systems become, users need intuitive and accessible experiences. Designers focus on usability, research, interaction, and visual clarity. While design tools evolve, understanding human behavior and problem-solving never becomes outdated. Long-term growth comes from designing experiences that increase user satisfaction and business value. Companies across industries invest heavily in design to stay competitive. As digital products expand globally, skilled designers who balance creativity with functionality will always be in demand. 8. Quality assurance and test automation. Quality assurance and test automation remains a stable career niche because software must be reliable before release. Bugs, performance issues, and security flaws can damage businesses. QA professionals ensure product quality through manual testing, automation frameworks, and performance analysis. As development cycles accelerate, automated testing becomes even more critical. This role evolves alongside development practices, making it future-proof. Long-term growth comes from mastering testing strategies, tools, and continuous integration pipelines. Every successful product depends on quality assurance, ensuring consistent demand and career stability for skilled QA and automation engineers. 9. Network engineering and IT infrastructure. Network engineering and IT infrastructure is an evergreen niche that supports digital connectivity. Businesses depend on secure, high-performance networks for communication, cloud access, and operations. Network engineers design, manage, and troubleshoot infrastructure that keeps systems running. While hardware evolves, networking fundamentals remain constant. Long-term growth comes from specialization in security, cloud networking, and automation. As remote work and global connectivity increase, network reliability becomes more critical than ever. This ensures steady demand for professionals who understand both traditional and modern networking environments. 10. Technical project management and product management. Technical project management and product management is an evergreen career combining technology and leadership. These professionals align business goals with technical execution. They manage timelines, teams, budgets, and stakeholder communication. While tools change, leadership, planning, and decision-making skills remain timeless. Long-term growth comes from understanding both technology and user needs. As tech projects grow more complex, skilled managers become essential for success. This niche offers career longevity because organizations always need professionals who can guide products from idea to execution efficiently and strategically. Choosing an evergreen tech career isn't about chasing trends. It's about building strong foundations that evolve with time. The niches we discussed offer stability, growth, and global relevance for years to come. Focus on mastering fundamentals, continuous learning, and real-world problem-solving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone planning their tech career. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.